The countdown to the big game is on, and you're likely planning your menu, selecting recipes, and gearing up for the biggest sporting event of the year. Three-time Super Bowl champion and NFL broadcasting veteran Mark Schlereth is joining us to help us win on game day. Hi, Mark.
Hey, Mark Schlereth here. When it comes to the big game, you got to have a big time and big plans, and it starts with the television set. LG's OLED TV's award-winning 65-inch OLED C2 series, the best picture quality, realistic colors, sharp, crisp images, zero blurring during fast motion. That means it's the best way to watch your sporting events, your gaming, your movies. From 42 inches to 97 inches. They say go big or go home. I say go big with the TV and stay home. LG.com for more information. And then the big game, you got to have big snacks. Variety is the spice of life. And when it comes to variety, it all starts with Farm Rich. Tons of snacks and appetizers found in the local freezer section of your grocer. Something for everybody on the snackuterie board, whether it's cauliflower bites, jalapeno poppers, you got mozzarella sticks, you name it, they've got it. FarmRich.com for more information. Then the worst nightmare is losing power during the big game. Genoverse has got you covered. Home Power, the 2 Pro solar generator, safe for indoor use, no fumes, no noise, no maintenance, rechargeable solar panels, can run up to 99% of your appliances, the fridge, the fans, the heaters, most importantly, that OLED TV. You can find out more at Genoverse.com. Should be a great game, and I tell you what, as a Bronco, you know what I'm going to go with. I'm going with the Eagles to win this one, mostly because I don't want Kansas City to win it, but I think it's going to be a great game. Should be a great Sunday and a great championship.
Thanks, Mark.